So blessed evenings and a happy new year from Etso Shoe Repair. So I have the shoes I'm gonna repair. It's a Clarks. It's a Clarks. I already done ship it down. So it be have on the string gum batty. So the string gum batty done gone. So same thing with this one over here. The string gum batty already done gone already. So I'm gonna replace it with a fresh looking batty. So I take out the stitches, got the stitches all and started to strip. So I'm going to take out this one as well because this one already start to strip it. Start to strip. The same thing I'm going to replace. So yes my peeps, I'm going to stick this here now. And I'm going to put this on and you will see. So yes my peeps, I already don't stick it and put it back. So I'm going to sew it. Going to sew it around. I'm going to take out this as well. So yes my peeps, I already don't start to sew it. So you will see. So I sew it in back around. So we take out this. So yes my peeps, I already don't sew it around. So I sew in back the two. Cause the thread was looking very terrible. So I get this one. I don't stick the one for sew it this like this. That one. So I'm going to sew it as this. Yeah. So yes my peeps, I already done change the stitches. So I'm going to put on the bottom now on it. So I already done cut off the excess. So I sand it in down. I sanding it down now. So you will see I don't cut off the excess. So I sanding it now. So I'm going to, after I sand, I'm going to polish and you will see. So yes my peep, I already done sand it down for you. Yeah, I already done sand it down. So I'm going to polish it for you guys. I do two, Two I did. But how the sun be hot, I be casual the two video. So this is the another one. I have to polish it. So when I polish it, you're gonna see the full thing. So yes my peeps, this is the brown Clarks I finished for the customer. Yeah, so I did two Clarks today. This is another same procedure as the brown one. This is the black. This is the black.